Neck pain. No more. A step-by-step guide to healing and prevention. This book provides effective strategies for overcoming and preventing neck pain. Meet your nemesis, neck pain. It creeps in unnoticed, delivering a blow when least expected. But there's a solution. Welcome to neck pain. No more. The book will take you in a journey to relief and prevention. We're here, equipped with the weapons of knowledge and action. First, understanding the enemy is key. We spend hours hunched over screens, inviting neck pain. Awareness is our first step towards healing. Next, we unlock the treasure of exercises. Simple yet powerful movements that can be done anywhere, anytime, designed to soothe and strengthen. Also, let's not forget the power of good posture. It's not just about sitting straight, it's about making your whole body work optimally. Then, we plunge into the realm of relaxation. Techniques like deep breathing and yoga that work wonders to alleviate pain and bring tranquility. Finally, prevention is better than cure. Embrace these steps as a lifestyle. Neck pain, no more, your roadmap to a pain-free life. Don't just manage your pain, eradicate it. With neck pain, no more, experience a transformation that gives you a pain-free life forever. Experience the liberating sensation of a life without neck pain. Neck pain, no more, will transform your discomfort into freedom.